Central Coast Harley Davidson. Dropping off Jason's bike for some insurance claim repairs. An awesome shop this is. I love coming here. Good range of bikes, good range of merchandise. Awesome place to be. Let's take a look inside and look at this great CVO Ultra. It's a beautiful bike. I love that yellow colour. This is a big store. They've got a good range of bikes in here as well. The staff here are good, friendly and very helpful. Look at that awesome green. I love that bike too. You never know, I might upgrade my bike soon. Here we go, we're leaving Central Coast Harley Davidson. Nice, great little ride, almost home. Say something to the viewers.
G'day viewers. Nice day for a ride.